Looking for the perfect Apple Watch in 2025? With Apple's steady release cycle, picking the right one is straightforward. Let's dive into the best options. At the top, the Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's our overall best smartwatch. Rugged design, fantastic display, and great battery life. An action button you can customize, a powerful GPS, and even a diving sensor. Plus, the double tap gesture with the S9 chip. It's pricey, but incredibly powerful. For mainstream users, the Apple Watch Series 10. A sleek redesign with a larger, vibrant display and a thinner profile. 40% brighter screen, faster charging, and media playback through the speaker. It's the best everyday Apple Watch, balancing features and style. On a budget, the Apple Watch SE 2 is your pick. It skips the always-on display and advanced sensors, but still offers car crash detection, extensive fitness tracking, and 2-day battery life. A bright 1000-nit screen and speedy performance make it a great value. The Apple Watch Series 9 is a solid second choice to the Series 10. It adds hands-free gestures, a brighter screen, and an improved Find Devices feature for iPhone 15 and later. The S9 chip boosts speed and it retains all the benefits of watchOS 11. Still a strong contender, the Apple Watch 6. Blood oxygen monitoring, the efficient S6 chipset, and improved battery life, though not ideal. A better screen and new colors make it a worthwhile option, even if it's similar to the Apple Watch 5. When choosing, consider price and features. Newer models offer always-on displays, advanced sensors, and the latest software. Also, check availability, as Apple and third-party retailers offer different selections. Whether you need an adventure watch, an everyday model, or a budget tracker, there's an Apple Watch for you in 2025. Thanks for watching!